See last tense, future tense. In that tense also like that, four type of: simple future tense, continuous future tense, perfect future tense, and perfect continuous future tense. Then in also see here form. First is simple future tense. S plus will or shall plus verb root. Will or shall plus verb root means here he will write a letter. Here will and shall is important. Will and shall is important. Then next type, continuous future tense. S plus will or shall plus be plus ing form. Be and ing form. Be and ing form is important. He will be writing a letter. See here, in simple future tense he will write a letter, and in continuous he will be writing. Be and writing is only here change. Only here change. Be and writing. He will be writing a letter. Then third one is perfect future tense. Here also s plus will or shall plus have plus pp means past participle. He will have written a letter. Same that like written form means in past tense also and in present tense also, like that wise future tense also. He will have written a letter. Written a letter. But one is additional what? Have. And there after last type, perfect continuous future tense. A form of like that, s plus will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form. He will have been writing a letter. He will have been writing a letter. See here, will also, have also, but additional is been, B-E-E, and been and writing a letter in last perfect continuous future tense. This type add only B-E-E-N is most important. In first is we or will or shall. Then next type of in will shall also and additional is be and ing form. And then in third type will shall also and have and past participle. And in fourth type also will shall also have and been and ing form. Been and ing form. This is, if you understand that all type, 12 type means simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous in each main type, present, past and future, then you all understood that English language, total English language means you also can easily speaking also, you writing also, and you understood also only because of that tense. So next I will give you some sentence about that tense, and you find out which tense that sentence, and also write also in every each sentence subtype of sentence and main type of sentence also. Each type of sentence you write 5 sentence for homework. Thank you.